Here is an interesting app called Movely, AI photo to video, avatar filters, dance effects, make your photo move, turn any still image into AI catching AI video in seconds. Movely combines state-of-the-art motion generation with interface so simple you can create and share animated portraits, memes, and story posts before your coffee cools. One-tap animation, 1,000+ AI effects, AI dance effects, natural body motion, batch results, export direct share, future baby, and mashups. So all of these details, so you can just use it in here. Hyper fast generation, dance videos, zombie videos, beauty videos. Just another app in this category. And then there you have it. So there's one free video which you can try. So here you have it. You can then just edit it. Then there are some gifts in here. There are also, you can invite friends. You can claim it for logging. There is friend invites, copy and share link. So for example, here is some kind of link which you can use. And that's basically the idea. So for example, you can find all of the different then they offer you to upgrade.